Alright then. Boom. What? Okay. Hi guys. So this is True Stevie, and I know that I haven't been like super frequent with like having like a video every single week, but I usually always have like 4 videos that sometimes I'll just like put all at once or try and space them out as I can. But today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Ricky's Cult Crushes and Ipsy. So let's get into this. So I'm gonna start with Ricky's Cult Crushes because honestly, I'm kind of biased at this point. I'm absolutely in love with this subscription. It's an $11 subscription, so it is on par with Ipsy as a $10 subscription, but I'm just absolutely in love with everything that I've gotten from them, like, since I started. It's amazing what they put into a freaking, like, $11 box. It's just, I'm just amazed. So let's get into this. Okay. Okay, so in here we have our Ricky's Cult Crushes, and it says came to crush, or hashtag came to crush. So festival glam is the theme. So we got in here, the first thing on here is nail her nail makeup. I know that, like, you're probably wondering why I'm laughing, but, like, nail her. I'm sorry. I can't help it. If you're not thinking the same thing I'm thinking, then you're a saint. Anyways, it is a set of ghost-style oval, like, renewable snap-on manicure in seconds. Personal manicures that are reusable. Snap them on yourself in seconds. So they actually look pretty cool. I'm not particularly fond of like snap-ons, but I mean, I do use stickers, which I have on my nails right now, is from the Espionage Cosmetics. So I like them. I don't know. Can you see them? They're literature. And flowers, of course. So I like those. The next item in here is Burt's Bees Micellar Cleansing Towelettes. So removes makeup, cleanses, and hydrates for all skin types. It has 30 towelettes in there. So far, like, I'll definitely use these, so that's good. And then this one's funny because it's literally like the tiniest thing ever in here. But this is like a midnight shift overnight facial oil. I mean, like, facial oil goes a long way, so you don't really need too much more than this if you're gonna do an application. But dang, this is tiny. Look at it. Compared to, okay, so see this, my hand? It's tiny. But it's facial oil, as I said again, so that's all right. But this last item in here, I saved it for last because I saw like a little like sneak peek preview of like, they were like sneak peek, and they like did like this whole collage on Instagram of like all these different colors, and then some of the commentary said, oh my gosh, is that what I think it is? And yes, guys, it is what you think it is. Get it out of this bubble wrap here. It is Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights. Like, I am super excited about just this piece alone is worth the $11 to me, because look at that. Look at that beautiful mess right there. I am super excited to try this. Like, I don't think you have any idea how excited I am to try this out. I mean, look, there's the cupcake one and the dazzle and the tickle, and they're just like all sorts of like bam, glitteriness. And then on top of that, all the mattes in here are just such fun colors. I mean, I am going to try these on. So like at the end of all of my little unboxing videos that I'm going to be doing, I will tag this on to the end of this video of me trying this on. I have no words. That's totally worth it. So if you were going to pick one subscription, guys, I definitely think Ricky's Cult Crushes is up there. Hello, so I just tried the Bright Lights Pinky Rose Cosmetics, which is this guy right here. And I started off with the Brulee. Oop, there it is, that one. And basically did it on the crease, and then I went with the Dreamsicle Orange there. And I put that on the inside towards my eye. And then on the outside, I did Tiki, which is this reddish color right there. And then on the inside there, I basically put down some concealer and then used a little bit of a Brulee, and then put the glitz on top of that, which is like this kind of sparkly-ish, light greenish blue color. And then I just put on a little eyeliner and some mascara, and I put some of the Dreamsicle underneath the eye right here, and then a little bit of the glitz on the inside of underneath the eye. So the colors that I used are the Brulee color, the Dreamsicle color, the Tiki, and the glitz. And I think it turned out pretty good. I like the eye color. Right now I'm wearing a little bit of the Ulta Beauty like rainbow highlighter. I put a little bit of like this gold and yellow combo right underneath the eyebrow to kind of lighten it up, but also like blend in the colors a little bit. And then I used the shimmer highlighting e.l.f. shimmer highlighting palette right here. So, and then I used a little bit of the highlighter on the inside of the eye there. So that's, and then I used a liquid felt tip eyeliner to make a little bit of a wing. And I used the Urban Decay's mascara. And then I, on top of that, did a NYX Professional Makeup for the Precision Eyebrow Pencil. So overall, super cheap products. I used e.l.f., Ulta Beauty, the NYX brand for the eyebrow pencil, and the Spotlight Collection Bright Lights Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I don't know how much this actually costs. I got it in my $11 Ricky's Cult Crushes like subscription. So that's one of the eye looks that I did today. I think it turned out pretty well. I've been wearing it since this morning, so it's been like 4 hours since I've put the makeup on. I did put like a makeup setting spray on it, and I did use a concealer as like an eye primer base underneath it all. But overall, I like it, and I'm really loving the colors. I think next time I'm gonna try some of those blue colors in there, which are blues and greens. So I think that will turn out really well too. So until next time, guys. Bye.